Do yoga every day? What happens to your body? Hello everyone, welcome to 1MT Health Channel. If you've done your downward dog yoga pose today, you're probably feeling more relaxed. Regardless of your level of yoga expertise, if you're practicing regularly, you can feel better from head to toe. Yoga offers physical and mental health benefits for people of all ages. And if you're going through an illness, recovering from surgery, or living with a chronic condition, yoga can become an integral part of your treatment and potentially hasten healing. A yoga therapist can work with patients and put together individualized plans that work together with their medical and surgical therapies. That way, yoga can support the healing process and help the person experience symptoms with more centeredness and less distress. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Yoga is an ancient practice that's gained popularity over the last few decades. Over the years, yoga has become more accessible with the growth of online and at-home yoga classes, in-person yoga studios, and increased media attention. One part of what has made yoga so appealing to more and more people is the large number of scientific studies showing its incredible benefits for the mind and body. Many streaming services and websites offer daily yoga challenges and programs that can help build and maintain a daily yoga practice by reinforcing the habit. While being active in some form every day is an excellent way to support your overall well-being, you may wonder if it's okay to do yoga every day. Below, we break down the science behind what happens to your body when you do yoga every day so you can decide what's best for you. Physical benefits of yoga. Yoga can provide benefits for your entire body with different intensities, challenges, and skill emphases depending on the particular type of yoga you choose. Research shows that yoga can moderately improve muscle strength, balance, mobility, lower body flexibility, and functional movement patterns. Yoga is a form of bodyweight exercise that can increase strength, especially in those new to resistance training. While it won't provide the strength or muscle-building results of lifting weights, it is an accessible and effective form of resistance exercise. One study showed that people who did Hatha yoga for 12 weeks had improved results in push-ubus, curl-ubus, and leg strength tests. Flexibility, mobility, and stability are likely the most well-known physical benefits of yoga. But the nature of yoga requires balance, core activation, and isometric contractions, which will strengthen postural muscles and increase body awareness. Your body will work to stay stable and balanced to perform smooth transitions from one pose to the next. As you improve, so will your stability and balance. 6. Research also shows that yoga is an excellent choice for improving functional fitness, especially in those rehabilitating from or aiming to prevent an injury. Consistent yoga practice leads to better squat depth, shoulder mobility, and trunk stability, according to a study of collegiate athletes who took part in 2 90-minute yoga classes per week for 12 weeks. Yoga is as good as basic stretching for easing pain and improving mobility in people with lower back pain. The American College of Physicians recommends yoga as a first-line treatment for chronic low back pain. Regular yoga practice may reduce levels of stress and body-wide inflammation, contributing to healthier hearts. Several of the factors contributing to heart disease, including high blood pressure and excess weight, can also be addressed through yoga. Lastly, yoga has been shown to improve the effects of certain illnesses and diseases. In particular, yoga can reduce pain due to conditions such as arthritis, chronic pain, and neuropathic pain. 9. It can also boost cardiovascular function, improve diabetes, reduce blood pressure, and combat the side effects of breast cancer. If you have a health condition, speak to a healthcare provider to see if doing yoga every day or a few days per week is right for you. Mental and emotional benefits of yoga. As a well-known mind-body form of activity, yoga's popularity has risen along with a deeper interest in mindfulness and mental and emotional well-being. At its roots, yoga has always incorporated a focus on being present, connecting to your body, and breathwork, each of which has been shown to improve mental and emotional health. In general, daily yoga practice can positively impact your mood, behavior, and overall mental health. Daily yoga practices boost focus, facilitate relaxation, increase mental clarity, and reduce the effects of worry and stress. Yoga is also a powerful tool for quelling anxiety levels. Although research about its effectiveness for anxiety disorders is lacking, for general day-to-day worry and anxiety, yoga can provide relief when done consistently. Similarly, yoga is worth trying if you experience depressive disorders or have elevated levels of depression. though researchers say more high-quality studies are needed to explore the full potential of yoga on depression. Stress reduction is another benefit of a daily yoga practice. In healthy individuals, yoga serves as a method of lowering stress and improving relaxation, which can lead to healthier life choices. Time spent on a yoga mat is an investment in your overall wellness. Another vital area of research and public attention that has been gaining steam is cognitive decline and brain health. As the rates of Alzheimer's and dementia increase, and the prevalence of ADHD and autism rise, many people are turning to mindfulness practices such as yoga for potential relief and improvement. Long-term yoga practitioners tend to have better cognitive abilities, such as executive functions and reaction time, and practicing yoga has been shown to improve memory and may potentially improve cognition, mood, and balance for those with dementia. Promising research shows that yoga may help improve outcomes for people with ADHD, providing a way to practice focus and mindfulness that can reduce impulsivity and hyperactivity and improve attention. Yoga connects you with a supportive community. Participating in yoga classes can ease loneliness and provide an environment for group healing and support. Even during one-on-one sessions, loneliness is reduced as one is acknowledged as a unique individual, being listened to and participating in the creation of a personalized yoga plan. Yoga helps you manage stress. According to the National Institutes of Health, scientific evidence shows that yoga supports stress management, mental health, mindfulness, healthy eating, weight loss, and quality sleep. Potential risks and dangers of practicing yoga daily. Yoga is a relatively safe form of exercise, especially if you stick to a level that you are comfortable with and which matches your experience and abilities. Never push past pain, and do not try to deepen any stretches that feel off or cause unusual discomfort. If you begin to experience pain in particular joints or areas that you are stretching each day, stop doing any movements that aggravate these areas. Performing repetitive movements every day can lead to overuse injuries. The risks of practicing yoga daily are more nuanced. For instance, if you rely solely on yoga for your daily exercise, you are not likely to get enough cardiovascular activity or build enough strength throughout your whole body to meet recommendations. Supplement yoga with higher intensity forms of exercise that work your heart and muscle groups at least twice per week. Hot yoga should not likely be practiced every day and comes with increased risks, including electrolyte imbalances and high blood pressure. Be sure you are cleared to attend hot yoga classes and stick to a couple of sessions per week. Tips for starting and maintaining a daily yoga practice. Setting a goal to begin and maintain a daily yoga practice is admirable, but keep in mind that if you miss a day or can only fit yoga into your weekly routine a few times, you will still see the benefits. When you first start a yoga practice, take some time to familiarize yourself with the most common poses. One way to start your daily yoga practice is to choose a small number of basic poses and practice them over several days until you master them. Continue adding poses that you are comfortable performing, ensuring you keep proper alignment. When choosing an instructor to follow for your daily yoga practice, ensure they are qualified. Using established streaming services or brick-and-mortar studios is a good place to start. Setting aside time to slow down and connect with your mind and body every day can provide several health benefits, including mobility, stability, better mood, and pain relief. It's wise to listen to your body and watch for signs you may need a rest day, especially if your yoga practice is more intense or strenuous. How long does it take to see results from yoga? How long it takes to see results will depend on what your goal is. If your goal is to get more flexible, you may start to notice that quickly. If your goal is to hold a difficult balance pose, that will happen more over time. Some results come from one day to another, and with others, you'll feel them gradually start to happen. Work on your alignment and ensure you are performing each pose correctly to avoid injuries. Enjoying yoga begins with finding a type and schedule that suits your goals and preferences. Experiment with different forms of yoga to find what works best for you. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.